When it comes to achieving a beautifully finished hardwood floor that will stand the test of time, the secret often lies beneath the surface. Proper floor preparation is a critical step in the hardwood flooring installation process. It not only ensures level and stable base, but also plays a pivotal role in the long-term performance of your hardwood floor. In this video, we will delve into the art of floor preparation, highlighting the essential steps and considerations to guarantee a flawless hardwood flooring installation. First one is assessing the subfloor. Before embarking on any floor preparation, a thorough assessment of the existing subfloor is essential. The subfloor acts as the foundation for your hardwood floor, and its condition will significantly impact the final result. Here are some factors to consider. The type of subfloor. Identify the subfloor you have, whether it's plywood, oriented standard board, concrete, or an existing hardwood floor. Different types may require varying preparation techniques. Moisture content. Ensure that the subfloor's moisture content is within an acceptable range. Excessive moisture can lead to issues such as warping or cupping of the hardwood planks over time. Levelness. Check for unevenness or dips in the subfloor. A level surface is crucial for preventing gaps and ensuring the hardwood planks lay flat. Second one is subfloor repair and reinforcement. Depending on your subfloor's condition, repair and reinforcement may be necessary. Here are some common issues and how to address them. Squeaks and loose fasteners. Squeaks are often caused by loose or improperly secured subfloor panels. Tighten any loose screws or nails, considering adding additional fasteners for reinforcement. Second one is subfloor damage. If you encounter damaged subfloor sections, such as rotted wood or large cracks in concrete, these areas should be repaired or replaced before proceeding with installation. And next one is plywood underlayment. In some cases, adding a layer of plywood underlayment may be necessary to provide a smooth and even surface. This is especially true for subfloors with large gap or unevenness. Next one, let's talk about moisture control. Moisture is one of the primary enemies of hardwood flooring. To prevent moisture-related issues, it is essential to implement effective moisture control measures. Number one, vapor barrier. In areas with high moisture levels, a vapor barrier, such as a moisture-resistant underlayment of plastic sheeting, should be installed between the subfloor and the hardwood flooring. Relative humidity. Maintain a stable indoor relative humidity level to minimize moisture fluctuations. Using a hygrometer can help you monitor humidity levels. Acclimate the hardwood floor. Allow the hardwood flooring to acclimate to the room's temperature and humidity for a specified period, as recommended by the manufacturer. This helps prevent the planks from expanding or contracting excessively after installation. The fourth one is tar paper and underlayment. To further protect your hardwood floor from moisture and provide a smoother surface, consider using tar paper or an underlayment. Tar paper. Tar paper is a traditional moisture barrier that is rolled over the subfloor. It helps prevent moisture from seeping into the hardwood floor and provides a cushioning effect. There are various underlayment materials available, such as cork or foam, that can enhance the comfort and installation of your hardwood floor. Consult with your flooring professional to determine the best option for your specific installation. Number 5 is sanding and leveling. Achieving a perfectly level surface is crucial for seamless hardwood flooring installation. And here's how to ensure your subfloor is ready. Sanding. Sand down any high spots, ridges, or imperfection in the subfloor. A floor sander or hand sander can be used for this purpose. The goal is to create a flat surface that allows the hardwood planks to lay evenly. Sixth one is inspecting and cleaning. Before proceeding with the actual installation, we perform a final inspection and thorough cleaning. Double check that subfloor is free from debris, dust, or any remnants of the floor preparation process. Even tiny particles can create imperfections in the hardwood installation. Use broom and vacuum to remove all dust and debris from the subfloor. A clean surface is essential for a successful hardwood installation. Now, once the floor preparation is complete, you're ready to move on to the hardwood flooring installation. Proper installation techniques are equally important, so be sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines and consult with a professional if needed. In conclusion, floor preparation is a fundamental aspect of hardwood flooring installation that should not be overlooked. Taking the time to assess, repair, and prepare your subfloor adequately sets the stage for a flawless and long-lasting hardwood floor. By following these steps and paying attention to moisture control, leveling, and cleanliness, you'll ensure that your hardwood flooring investment stands the test of time, providing beauty and durability for years to come. We know how a flooring and decking project is a mammoth undertaking for you and can be very expensive. But if you're not in a rush, I encourage you to shop around. Then check us out. We're a factory direct store, so our prices are cheaper than any other places. We import the woods ourselves, passing along the savings to you. And we have pro installers with 15 plus years of experience at your service. Should you have any questions, please email us at hello@redeemflooring.com.